Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back. And for today's video, we're going to be talking about, was it worth buying a 2019 Mustang GT? So here we go. All right, so to start off, me personally, I think it was worth it. I traveled in this to Colorado, to Idaho, to Oregon, like back to back, and it has not gave me a single problem, even though that is like a 16-17 hour drive for me. But yeah, you know, thankfully, knock on wood, it never gives me problems. But so far, I only put in like, I'd say like 6,000 or 5,000 miles total, or probably even less, to be honest, not quite sure. But yeah, it is worth it for sure. Even though it is a manual transmission and they do tend to have its little problems, you know, but me personally, I haven't had any problems with mine yet. Thank to God, but hopefully nothing happens to the car. But obviously it's a fun car to drive. I've done a couple mods already from like the beginning. I did do the wheels, I did do the amber delete, headlight, painted my calipers yellow, tinted. I don't know if you guys count that as a mod, but I mean, I always tint my front windows and shit. All right, so power wise, I am stock. I only have a muffler and an X pipe, which doesn't really do nothing to like add power, you know. But real soon I will be getting it tuned on the 85, and I will be posting a video on that too to see how much I'm pushing. But I'll say after the E85 I'll be probably pushing like 500 plus to the wheel, because I will be getting also an intake, so that should help a lot to the power. But yeah, I have many plans for this car. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, stay posted, and just, you know, just see how far I can take this car. Also, like on my first oil change that I did, this car does take 10 quarts, so it is quite expensive. Like if you plan on taking it to like a shop, they are gonna overcharge you. So I say you just do it on your own. You know, it's cheaper for sure than taking it to a shop. All right, so like I said earlier in the video, I did choose a manual transmission instead of an automatic, for a few reasons. Always funner to me. The downshifts for sure hit different compared to like the paddle shifters on a, oh my gosh, she got stuck, oh my god. All right, there you go. Compared to the paddle shifters on automatic. So that's why I chose the manual transmission. Like I said, it has not gave me problems, but other people, I do hear that they do tend to have like lockouts when they're like ripping through the gears and stuff. So yeah, just be careful on that if you do want a manual transmission. There you go. So just do your research before. But other than that, to be honest, it's an amazing car. Pretty spacious. I mean, I don't know if you can see. It is pretty spacious. Just the back seats that suck ass. But other than that, it's a really good car. Yeah.